A, B, C, D, E, F, you and your mom and your sister and your job and your broke ass car and that shit you call. Hi and welcome to the channel. Firstly, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the E major, played with the E, the G sharp and the B, and the bass note of E. Then you will have the B major, played with the D sharp, F sharp, and B, and the bass note of B. Then you will have the C sharp minor, played with the C sharp, the E, and the G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. And finally the A major, played with the C sharp, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A. As always, feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song. You'll find the link in the description box. So it starts directly with the chorus. So here's the corresponding table. And for that introductory section, just play and hold the chords for 4 beats, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And with the lyrics now. Fuck you and your mom and your sister and your job and your broke ass car and that shit you call art. And repeat one last time with the next lyrics. Here I'm only singing excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. So next the verse will begin. So here's the new table, and as you can notice the chord order haven't changed. But we'll obviously need a new method. So take the first chord and play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So on 1, bass and chord, 2, chord, 3, chord, and 4, bass and chord. And you're gonna do this for all the other chords. So B major, 1, 2, 3, 4. C sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. And A major, 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole table should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And repeat. And now with the lyrics. I swear I meant to mean the best when it ended. Even tried to bite my tongue when it started. And repeat the table one more time. Now you're texting all my friends, asking questions that never even liked you in the first place. And repeat again. So 6 times in total until you reach the chorus. And for the upcoming chorus, well, you will simply need to replay the verse table, so 3 times for the first chorus and 4 times for the second chorus. Here's an example. A, B, C, D, E, F, you and your mom and your sister and your job and your broke ass car and that shit you call art. Fuck you. And you repeat. I wish you good luck for that one, and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.